Hello everyone, I'm Karthik. Today, developers face a serious dilemma. AI tools can accelerate development, but they require sending your private source code to external cloud servers. This creates a major risk, including data leaks, loss of intellectual property, and security vulnerabilities. ForgeGuard solves this problem. ForgeGuard is a fully autonomous agentic AI software engineer that runs completely locally using AMD accelerated LLMs. Your code never leaves your system. Now, let me demonstrate how ForgeGuard works autonomously. Section 1, Autonomous Planning Agent. When I give ForgeGuard a prompt, for example, explain this repository, it doesn't generate any random response. It reads the entire repository by creating a planner agent, builds a vector memory of all the files, and generates an intelligent execution plan. As you can see, it has created the planner agent, and from that it has understood the repository and it has given the corresponding response. Similarly, I can give for it for a particular file, for example, explain this file. So you can see similarly it has created a planner agent and has explained what this file exactly does. Section 2, autonomous code generation and editing agent. Now let's give it a real development task. For example, add a function to add two numbers in tryamdllm.py, which is a file in this repository. So basically, it finds the correct files, reads and understands the existing code, generates safe modification, and it shows a difference preview and validates correctness. This ensures there is no breaking changes, safe modification, and context-aware code generation, just like a real senior developer. As I've said, the editing is done. It shows the differences here, and this is how the planner agent works. You can see the function to add two numbers is successfully added into this file which wasn't there previously. Section 3, Autonomous Terminal Execution Agent. ForgeGuard can also execute real system commands autonomously. For example, when I give ls, it lists all the files in the directory similar to when executed separately in the terminal. So this enables installing dependencies and running scripts. To our next part, autonomous document generation. ForgeGuard automatically generates installation guides, architecture, usage guides, code reviews, and architecture.md. And it also runs security patches to check if there is any API keys or any security patches which needs to be done. And since we are trying to generate document for our local, so I do not enter any link and I just press enter after clicking on help commit here. You can see it has thrown security patches such as hard-coded password and insecure eval in these two files. And it has generated all the README files which are necessary, which when committed in GitHub looks like this. Similarly, it works for other GitHub accounts. For example, if I put the public repository here, it does the security runs and generates the .md files as before. This helps us to understand others' repository as well easier.